Hey, Coach Mark, how you doing?
How are you?
Doing good. Got to redeem myself with a couple weeks ago with a bad question for you. So, question about
Whatever it was.
it was about the point, like the 2 minute warning, the 5 minutes, running the football. Well, I don't remember, but I know it was totally bad.
I think what happens sometimes is if a commentator says something, everybody believes it's true. But there are times definitely to try to, use two or more clock, but I didn't want to do it at the expense of the tempo that we were going at to help us. We use a quicker tempo to try to help ourselves score. We're only out by one, so I didn't think it was time to do that, but it's certainly debatable on whether you should or shouldn't, but I felt like we were doing the right thing.
Well, my question is points over turnover. You guys are, when you got the defense getting the football, the interception, you guys can't
Right.
turn it in. You're like worse in the
I
country.
know.
How are you going to get better on that?
I don't know. I think we need a score. It's just, I don't know. We're doing everything we can to get it done, and sometimes you do. And the good news is we get enough plays offensively to win games, and that's really the most important thing. And you can match stats all day, or you can look at the final result and feel like we're on the right track.
Well, good luck this week and good luck with prime time.
All right, thank you. That's just Mike said in Greensboro. Thank you this weekend for sure, and we'll talk to you next Wednesday.